how to delete your Instagram account permanently. Open the Instagram application and log in on the account that you want to delete. And tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. And tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. And you'll get to settings and activity. To delete your account, you can go to Account Center. Then scroll down to Personal Details. And on the third option, you can see Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it. Then there you'll get an option of deactivation or deletion. Tap on it. And tap on your profile. Here are two options, deactivating your account and deleting your account. Since we're gonna delete it, tap on Delete Account and press on Continue. And then Instagram will ask you why you want to delete your account. Just choose one of your reasons and press on Continue. For security reasons, you need to re-enter your password. Re-enter your password and press on Continue. After that, for the last time, you need to confirm that you want to delete your account. Just press on the delete account and your account will be deleted. You can recover your account till 20 days. After 20 days, your account will be deleted permanently. In this very way, you can easily delete your Instagram account. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.